In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a credit note in Xero. This process is essential for adjusting transactions and ensuring your financial records are accurate, especially when you need to correct an invoice. Let's dive right in and get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Xero website. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your login credentials to access your dashboard. Once you're in, you should see a variety of options and features that Xero offers right at your fingertips. Now, look for the Sales tab on the main menu. Clicking on Sales will take you to the section where you manage all your invoices and related sales documents, making it easy to navigate and find the precise records you need to adjust or review. Once you're in the Sales section, find and click on Invoices. This will show you a list of all your current and past invoices. It's very user-friendly and well-organized, so you should be able to find what you're looking for with minimal hassle. Next, to create a credit note, look for the button that says New Credit Note. Click on this and you'll be taken to a new page where you can initiate the creation of your credit note. This feature is very handy for making amendments to your sales records efficiently. At this point, you'll need to fill out all the necessary details. Begin by adding your recipient. This should be the organization or individual for whom you are creating the credit note, ensuring that any previous discrepancies are noted and addressed correctly. After selecting the recipient, proceed by selecting the date. It's important to ensure that the date matches the necessary correction period on the transaction you are amending. This will help maintain chronological accuracy in your records. Now, you should see various fields that require your attention. Fill out all the necessary fields, such as the amount, invoice reference, and any other relevant information. The more detailed you are, the more clarity it provides for future reference and for those who may need to view the transaction later. Once you've completed filling out all the fields, double-check your work to make sure everything is correct. It can't be stressed enough how crucial accuracy is, as even a small mistake can lead to confusion down the line. Finally, when you've ensured all details are correct and everything is filled to your satisfaction, go ahead and click Approve. This will officially add the credit note to your records in Xero, adjusting the appropriate transactions as needed. That's it. You've successfully added a credit note in Xero. By following these steps, you can maintain more precise records and ensure everything is in order. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has made the process simpler for you. Feel free to check out our other videos for more tips and tutorials on using Xero effectively.